Take a ride in the 2019 Ford Transit Connect. Ford Transit, the right size the whole world round. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, remote engine start, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, front-wheel drive, power door locks, power windows, trip computer, MP3 player, passenger airbag, bucket seats. Come see the car for yourself.